ये है वो चेयर मैंने ऑर्डर की थी जो दिस इज बाय ग्रीन सोल एंड इट हैज सर्टेन फीचर्स। आपको ये मिल जाता है नेक रेस्ट, बैक रेस्ट। इसका जो ये बैठने का वो है लाइक यू कैन इजीली सिट ऑन इट एंड होल्ड योर लेग्स लाइक दिस and there's no issues even if this comes and pushes in here. The fact that it is a 4D means that it can be moved like this away from you. There's a button here. If I press this ये आगे पीछे जा सकता है। इसको अगर ऊपर लेना है मुझे तो भी मैं ले सकता हूँ इस बटन से। प्रेस किया ऊपर नीचे हो सकता है, राइट। दिस इज माई आइडियल हाइट आराम से हाथ रखने के लिए। It's very comfortable, by the way. I'm amazed by the quality of engineering these guys have been doing. It's in a ergonomic chair. I went for the Ghost one because ये जो chair है ये 180 डिग्री हो जाती है। So if I press this button यहाँ पे जो है इस लीवर को अगर मैं ऐसे पुल करूँ तो इससे ये इसका मूवमेंट होता है। And if I go all the way like this and it's still stable and I can still move around like this. So that's something, isn't it? So ये जो लीवर है ये इसको 180 डिग्रीज पे ले जाता है। एंड देन वी हैव दिस लेग रेस्ट एज वेल। ये आराम से ऐसे पुल आउट भी हो जाता है और मैं इसको ऐसे करूँ एंड देन आई कैन प्लेस माई लेग्स ओवर दिस एंड आई कैन गो ऑल द वे like this. So it's a complete relaxation gaming chair. As for those who actually spend a lot of time on their systems, ये सारे features मिल जाते हैं। Retractable है ये, so it will go under if I just push it. I have to do this first and then push it and then it goes inside and then you can sit just like this. और तो कुछ नहीं है इसमें, बस ये है कि height appropriate है मेरे height के हिसाब से, so I went for this. It's like a warm hug. Almost like I'm sitting in my car or something. It does not make a squeaky noise at all. It's so beautifully made and इस level की जो engineering है, if we don't appreciate it by buying this product then it's such a shame. So I recommend you guys to go check it out and let me know if you really like this product and if you save enough you can buy it as well. So I'll be using this a lot now. मैंने अपने पुरानी शेयर को बोल दिया है टाटा बाय बाय and I'll finally switch to this ergonomically made perfect shape. ये भी है जो है adjustable है neck वाला. I can remove this if I want and I can place it in the right section because there's a like this can be tightened around. Pull this up and tighten it up. And similarly with the back support as well. If I don't want my back support to be this down, I can just pull this up like this and it will be at the appropriate height where I just want it to connect with the right area with my back. So yeah, I like it here so that there is a kind of a support. It can be moved up and down with this lever. So if I press this, it can be moved up, or if I don't want this height, then I just press this and it goes down. So that is something basic, right? Every chair is making that, but this one 180 degree, not everyone is doing this. And if they're doing it, there's a fear of falling, toppling over, but in this there is no such thing. But yeah, if you sit at the there are some do's and don'ts. Don't sit at the very tip, otherwise this will topple over. That there are some things that you should not do, like ask someone to sit on you. They have given some images on do's and don'ts. Don't do that. The rest is fine. I mean, the chair is amazing. Please go check it out. Alright guys, see you in the next one. Bye.